Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to lock home screen layout. Okay, if we have grandmother and grandfather, you can set this function to their phones to protect their home screen icons. You can see here, if I move like this, the application is moved and sometimes it is deleted from the home screen, so very difficult to find those applications in some elders phones. So you can simply protect those icons by enabling home screen layout. Okay, lock. So how to do that? It's very simple. Just press and hold, then go to more or settings. Okay, then you can find home screen layout settings, lock home screen layout, and it is only available in some phones only this here, and some phones always set these things on this just app drawer menu, and some phones also support from it from settings. So simply click here, then you can see here home screen layout is turned on. Now you are trying to move, that will be locked. So they can easily find their icons in by default arrangement. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.